Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Basil says hello. He's eating his new little Batman toy. But today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really adorable bunny wreath. Again with the loopy yarn. Just thought it was something a little bit different from the last one. I found those ears and I really loved them, so I wanted to do something with them. So if you want to see how to make this project, then keep watching. So this is going to be a really easy project. All you're going to need are two different size wreath forms from Dollar Tree. It doesn't matter what ones they are because we're just going to cover them. I just have these little, what they call willow wreaths. I have a small one and a large one. This is going to be our head. This is going to be our body. I have this Easter headband, which is all sequined and really cute. I have this magnetic hook pom-pom little thing that we're going to use the pom-pom off of. I have this roll of ribbon. And then the only thing not from Dollar Tree here is this Loopity Loops yarn. This is currently on clearance at Joann Fabrics for $4 for the whole skein. So we're going to use this, and this will take an entire skein. So the first thing that we want to do is secure this headband, if I can get it. Secure the headband to the smaller wreath form. So just decide what way you want it. We're not going to take this off of the headband or anything. We're just going to like stretch it out over, like we're putting it on someone's head. So it's going to go like that. And as always, hot glue and scissors are a necessity for wreath making. So I'm just going to go ahead and run some hot glue on the band of this. And then take it, open it up, and secure it on. Now, the reason why I'm not taking the band off of this is because there's no reason to, because we're not going to see the band. This is going to get covered with loopy yarn. So I have a full skein back there, but I also have a good portion of another skein from the last bunny wreath that I did left over. So I'm going to start on the back here. And I'm going to get a pipe cleaner. You can use floral wire for this part too. Anything that'll really just secure the start of it. And I'm going to put it through one of the loops. So there's a loop. Put it through. And just go underneath one little piece of straw here. Okay. And then I'll just twist it. That's just to ensure that it's on there. So I'm just going to take this. It's super long, but I'm just going to start stuffing it through the holes. Now, I've started up by her ears because this is what I want to cover first. I want to make sure that this gets covered properly. So I'm going in between her ears. So that's what I have so far. And we're literally just going to keep going over this until we have this whole circle filled up. So when I do that, I will come back, and every few inches or so, I'm just going to put a little dab of hot glue and then go over it like that, just to make sure it stays. So I have half of the head covered, and I know that I said I was going to wrap the entire head, and then do the rest of the stuff, but instead of wrapping the entire head, I'm going to go ahead and attach the two body pieces together. So I have a couple of zip ties here, and all you want to do with this is just find your way through the willow wreath. And then, or grapevine, whatever store you're buying it from, really. If you want to make this larger, go to Joann Fabrics or something like that, but I'm just using the Dollar Tree ones. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a zip tie through those little holes. So as you can see, they're holding together now. Same way that I did my snowman wreaths that kind of went viral over Christmas. Alright, so there's one side, and I'm going to do 2 zip ties here. And zip that one too. So now they're pretty much held together now, so as you can see, he's a little bit wobbly, but that's okay. We're going to cut off the remainder of those, and now what I'm going to do is, instead of wasting more yarn wrapping both pieces separately, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap right through that center and then continue on the rest of her head. Alright, the whole head is covered. Now I'm going to break into my other skein, which I'll only end up using half of, so you really only need one skein. And I'm going to start to do the exact same thing on the bottom. So I will start it with a pipe cleaner. I will secure it with hot glue every couple of inches, and once I have it full, we will... Okay, so this is completely covered. I don't know if, yeah, there we go. So got our body and our head. I still have, I think, more than half a skein left here, so not too bad. Now we're going to take our little pom-pom here. And this says it's a magnetic hook. Very poorly made. So all I'm going to do is rip this little poof off of the base. I've just gone ahead and cut it just a little bit. So we're going to give her a little butt, little bunny butt. So I'm just going to take hot glue, really pile it onto that thing. This is synthetic hair, so it'll melt very easily, and I'm just going to pop it right in the middle of her body. Okay. And now for the bow. That's the last thing. This is how easy this guy is. Well, be careful not to cut your finger off like I did. Take a nice chunk out of my finger there. So now I'm just gonna make a bow. I'm gonna do it on my bow dabra, and I'm just gonna let you watch. There's a million bow dabra tutorials online. Maybe I will do one if you guys want one. It's very simple. Everybody loves the Pro Bow the hand, but I like my bow dabra. It makes cute bows, and my fingers don't hurt afterwards, and that's the really important part. So what is everyone doing in this coronavirus panic? I am going about my normal life. Nothing's changed here. Still going to work. Don't have any kids, so I don't have to try to figure out all the childcare for anything because all the school is canceled here for 2 weeks plus. I packed this morning to take my yearly trip to Atlanta to go see my best friend. That is still happening. There's still flying flights out of Atlanta and into Hartford, where I fly out of. So I should be good. Alright, so I've made my bow. It's literally just that simple. You just go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So now, I'm just gonna take the pipe cleaner. Which I put down there before I started doing this, and secure it up. That's it. That's how simple making a bow is with the Bowdabra. And I will cut off my excess here. You can do this one of two ways. You can cut a little tail in the middle here and then, you know, dovetail it or something. So you have like a little embellishment in the middle, or you can cut it off completely. I don't think that I want the middle embellishment on this. No, I like the middle embellishment. So it has a little pipe cleaner on the back, and all I'm gonna do is put this onto the wreath form like that. You can weave it through the loops of the yarn just to really get it in there good. But yeah. This is very, very similar to my oh so popular snowman one. But yeah, there it is. So here is our finished product. It just hangs by its little head. And there it is. And it was quick and easy. Definitely could give her a white cottontail too. But I just like the pink with the pink ears. So yeah, that is it, and I thank you guys for watching.